Now guys, we will going to teach you how to create app install campaign. So you can just go to campaigns. Let's click on create campaigns, and of course you can just go ahead and click on this new experience. So this is how it will going to look like. Okay, so from here also you can choose the proper goal. Okay, but currently when I'm recording this, so this is how it is showing. Okay, uh, so you can also skip this as well if you want to, but let's just click on the promote apps. So here what type of you want. So for example, we want, let's say, app install ads. Click on the continue button. Now just put your campaign, let's say app install. Okay, just put your budget, choose your country. These are all the settings which we have told you at the very starting. So I think that we should not waste our time here. And then from here, I guess you guys should see for that. Okay, it's not doing that. So let's just go back. Okay, let's try to create the campaign again, because I guess they have some glitch over here for the app install. I can just select this campaign and I can just remove it, delete it. Okay, awesome. So for now what I can see is that you just have to click on create button. Let's off this interface. Okay, let's just back to the old one, and now we can just click on the app install, and from here we can just go with the app install. Okay, choose the budget and all, just go to the save and next step. Okay, so let's just put the website URL. Let's just put anything maybe related to your app. Okay, you can put. Okay, but they should show the option of app which we want to install. By the way, let's go with, maybe your app is related to book ticket train. So I can just put here, let's say book train ticket. Okay, something like this. Put the keyword any you want, just go to the next step, and from here just click on this create ad. But the problem here I'm seeing right now, okay, here we have got this. So from here we can just choose to app install ad, select the app store, maybe Play Store, App Store you want to go with. For example, in our case, let's just go and search for something related to book train ticket. Okay, or let's say train ticket, something like this. Let's wait for a few seconds. It's taking time to load it. Okay, okay, let's search something related to ticket. Let's say we have let's say this one. Okay, you can just say the title, download train ticket app, book ticket instantly, see data. Okay, sorry, and you can just say something like this, add etc etc. You can just add blah 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 many thing. Okay, and you can say at the end, install now, and that's it. Click on the save button. Simple. And then you can add extensions if you want. Just click on save and next. Choose your bit strategy and bid. Click on the save button. Awesome, we have just done and created our campaign for the app install. Awesome, right?